What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Noel Arevalo here. You already know what it is, you guys. Bringing you a full day of eating for my loyals. You know what it is. You know what to expect. But for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. So happy that you are tuning into this video, and I hope that you subscribe. So I'm just basically going to be bringing you along with in my day and showing you exactly how I eat pretty much literally like daily, year-round, to stay fit and to stay healthy. And one thing that I do want to say before actually jumping into this video is that it is not what you eat, you guys, that makes you gain weight. It's all about portion sizes, and it's about how much you eat. But you definitely should have an approach of like a balance of eating a lot of healthy food, and then obviously having food that maybe isn't the healthiest, that maybe isn't the most nutrient dense, that you enjoy, because that's how you have balance, and that's how it makes living like fitness as a lifestyle fun. Like, you can't just be all one way restrictive, because that's not sustainable. So I'm gonna show you guys basically what I had this morning for breakfast, and this was actually before my workout. I had, you know, subs. I always do vegan protein. I've switched to it for about, I don't know, 3 years now, and so that's just what I do. So I did a scoop of vegan protein. I did some almond milk, and then I did my scoop of my daily greens. That is literally what I have like every single morning for like my protein and like greens. Like, I have that every single day. Half a serving of oats, and then I actually did half of a banana because I actually woke up pretty hungry. So that was what I had this morning for breakfast, you guys. So now it is time to make our post-workout meal, which I'm so excited about because it's one of my favorite go-to meals that's like super, super easy to make. So let's get this party started. Fuel your body, cause food's your friend. Fuel your body, cause food's your friend. Sing it with me now. Hey, hey. Brunch post-workout. I just cut the tortilla in half, large tortilla, and then I do 3 eggs and some spinach with some seasoning, which I showed you guys. Lather it in some Valentina's hot sauce. I'm actually running out. I need to get some more. And then I'm gonna have this Zero Glacier Gatorade. All right, guys. Let's talk about this, because I've actually been wanting to touch on this subject because I get a lot of questions about it, and I also feel like a lot of people don't really address it as much as we should, because it honestly is just as important as lifting, as nutrition, all that stuff. But before we jump into it, you peep those new clubs back there? Your girl's getting better. She upgraded. For those of you who don't know, your girl's been golfing and she's been getting better. Something I've been doing consistently whenever I can, at least for like 5-7 minutes here, or it usually has been after my workouts, because that's the best time that they suggest that is best for recovery, is I have been using a freaking massage gun, guys. Super, I'm always really tight. It helps a lot with recovery of after your workouts. It like gets more blood flow in there, and it just helps with reducing soreness, reducing inflammation. There's many different benefits, but these are the 2 that I particularly use it for. If you're tight in an area, like I'm always just tight right here, my neck, my shoulders, my traps. I only do it I do it after my workouts usually, and I do it for like, I don't know, like 5 minutes in whatever area I lifted. So I did upper body today, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I hit like my upper back with it. This is Mebaks. Your girl doesn't know how to pronounce things, you know? Super cute. The quality is really good. I like it a lot too, because it has, these are 2 of their heads, but those aren't the heads that I use. I'll show you guys the head that I use once I use it. This is the head that I always use. Boop, boop, boop. You guys, recovery, reducing soreness, this is gonna be your best friend. But I literally already feel like my pressure here is just like I feel like endorphins, like it just feel less tight. If you have thought about picking them up, I linked this one for you, and I really am happy with this brand. So Okay, so ta-da! There she is. I ended up getting a good Callaway bag. I love the freaking colors with it. And also it's like one of the lightest bags out there for women, I wanna say. But yes, so my new clubs that I got, I still actually have some of my old clubs from my Top Flight bag in here, like a lot of them. I need to go to a golf place like Roger Den or something like that and actually swing to see what else that I like. But I mean, so far it's been a lot of Callaway, obviously. This is a new driver actually, the Maverick series. I am freaking obsessed with it. And then this is my 6 hybrid, which I use this a lot, like these two, and then pretty much my putter and like my chipping wedge. But pretty much everything else, oh yeah, I actually got given this. I got given this putter and this 56. But other than that, I still use a lot of my old clubs. You guys don't listen to country, you're missing out, I'm telling you. Alexa, off. The amount of times my neighbors probably hear me say Alexa, incorporating in that she doesn't ever listen to me. I don't know about you guys. Has a mind of her own sometimes. Long story short, you guys already know these are my staple. Jasmine rice, warm up rice. She just turns on by herself. What did I tell you guys? Obviously I put baby spinach in absolutely everything. You already know that. So I'll do like half a serving of this, and then you guys, these are clutch. And these remind me of like a protein shake on the go. They just make it so convenient. You don't have to cook it. It's in water, but like, anyway, they're just perfect. So I'm just basically gonna make like a rice bowl with spinach and this little guy. I literally just realized that I did not show you guys how I made it, but it's fine. I literally just warmed up the rice, opened the package, put it in, and literally just chopped up the spinach. Like it took me like less than 5 minutes. That's why this is also so convenient and easy and good. But here you go, guys. Here's like a little example. Do not mind that I used my Tupperware, you know, because your girl has no more clean bowls. So very, very exciting news. I talked about this in my last video about her fit bra. I wanted to give you guys kind of like a little update. If you are not familiar with her fit bra, it is a sports bra line that I have been working on for the past like year and a half. And it is basically a sports bra that is going to be maximum support, a lot of coverage, a lot of comfort, and a lot of support. I have struggled to find sports bras like that in my 10 years plus of the fitness industry, so I decided to make my own bra line. And also I announced as well, it's going to be, my focus for this is her fit bra, that's why it's called her fit bra. But I wanted to give matching sets for those people who desire that, so we have made matching sets. So leggings with the sports bra as well. We have found someone to actually produce and manufacture the friggin' sports bras. I am like so happy. Now I can actually gauge a time frame of when we will be launching. We are more than likely gonna be launching in like 3 months minimum, like 4 months max. So yeah, guys, that's the little update for her fit. Stay tuned. But also, if you guys would like to follow along the Instagram, I'll link it right here for you. And then also the email list as well that you can join, because the email list for her fit bra actually gets status updates and exclusive like insights. Anyway, that is where I update everybody first, is within the email list, and you will also get exclusive offers and stuff like that. So make sure that you join it. But yes, you guys, so happy. It is dinner time, you guys. Obviously, we warm up this rice, and then I'm going to actually dice up some peppers and saute those a little bit. And our protein source is going to be this ground turkey protein source. So I'm gonna cook this, then throw in the peppers towards the end. This is gonna be the last meal of the day, I believe. If I do have anything else, it'll probably be like a small little snack, but let's get to cooking look good. Let's get to cooking good looking. But I just basically did an entire serving of the jasmine rice. I did a serving of the turkey meat, and then I also did like 4 mini bell peppers and chopped them up and just threw them in. Pretty simple, pretty tasty for like a meal prep idea. Honestly, this is really healthy, really moderate. I thought about this because I started craving something sweet for like a midnight snack. I am going to do, so after I have that, I'm actually going to do, you guys, you already know what it is. Probably do just like a protein bar, so Built Bar. I love their bars, you guys, because they have mixed boxes. I like my options. I'm just gonna take a bite now because the girls I've actually had a pretty big appetite today, which is good for me. I just wanna take a bite because, look at that. So this is what we are going to close out the night with. It's been a good day of fueling the body. And yes, so if you did want to pick up some protein bars, I do recommend Built. They're really, really good. And they gave me a discount code for you guys. So I just bunned it up, and this is what she came to be. I can't take myself seriously with this bun, but this is how I'm gonna close this video out. Thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in to this video. You know how much that I appreciate you, your love and your support. And yes, I hope that you enjoyed the video. But also, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you see me and my crazy bun and crazy hair in the next video. And also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, because it helps me out so much. But we're ending it out. My hair is over it. All right, we gotta go. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.